All right, so we're gonna do a quick room tour of the presidential penthouse suite in Harrah's Tahoe. There's Jake there. Living room, TV. It's got a surround sound system going all around. We're on the 17th floor, so you got a pretty good view. There is the mini bar, fully stocked refrigerator with sodas and other beverages. Master bedroom. Some of my stuff on the bed I'm still unpacking. Fire alarm chirp greeting us nicely. Room, or the view out the window, absolutely blizzarding right now. Big closet. Got the jacuzzi with the fancy soap. One vanity, two vanity, one toilet there. Another toilet here. Big walk-in shower. Oh, it's got a rainfall head also. Chirp. Nice room.